Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Mr. Kabara from Family English Language. This time I'm going to present about quantifiers, especially focusing on adjectives of quantity, a little, a few, and few. They are quantity adjectives and they modify about nouns, especially countable, which can be counted and which can be illustrated in numbers. And some nouns are uncountable, which can be illustrated in amount. And I'm going to give you some examples and some summarized questions focusing on these adjectives of quantity. I think you'll stay with me, please. Nice. The first one here is little, a little, few, and a few. Actually, there sometimes it makes confusion when do we use little, a little, few, and a few. I want to make it clear here by giving some critical examples. I think it's really interesting, and you'll take examples and try to make your own examples. I think you'll improve your grammar usage. Please say a little. The first one, a little hill. It refers about uncountable nouns, which is things, maybe things which cannot be counted, and which doesn't have any singular and plural forms. Means it indicates about small amount, or we can say about some, or here is not much, and this one is it has positive meaning. This definition refers about what a little. well በዛሬው ይዘታችን ማየት የምንፈልገው በተለይ እነዚህን አራት adjectives of quantity ያምታል ግራመር ላይ ስንጠቀም ስናወራም ስፖክን ላይ የሚያምታቱ ነገሮች አሉ። እነሱ ነው ግልጽ ለማድረግ የምፈልገው። a little ስንል actually accent a little ነው የምንለው a little so that sound should be softened. a little which is called uncountable noun. uncountable ማለት ሊቆጠር የማይችል ስም ላይ ነው a little የምንጠቀመው። ሊቆጠር የማይችል ከሆነ ደግሞ በመጠን የምንገልጸው ከሆነ በጣም ጥቂት መጠን ያለው ነገር ወይም ሳም ማለት ነው ወይም not much ወይም ብዙ ጉዳይ ወይም ብዙ መጠን ያልሆነ ነገር በጥቅሉ ፖዚቲቭ ሚኒንግ ያለውን uncountable የሆነ አይተም ወይም uncountable የሆነ ስምን የምንገልጽበት ብቸኛው adjectives of quantity a little እንለዋለን። definition ቶታል ይሄ ነው a little ማለት። what about little here? the other a few it means which we use a few for countable nouns, things which can be counted, and it has a singular as well as plural forms, right? a few ስንጠቀም ሊቆጠር የሚችል ስም ሲሆን በብዙ ያልሆነን በጣም ጥቂት ቁጥር ያለውን and ትርጉሙ ደግሞ positive implied ትርጉም ያለውን አይተም ወይም ነገር የምንገልጽበት adjectives of quantity a few ብለን ነው የምንገልጸው። ለምሳሌ a few friends, a few oranges, a few books, a few flowers, a few trees, a few mangoes, a few apples. all these nouns are countable and we can represent these nouns in number, but the quantity is some, not many. small number, we can say that a few. look here, a little ላይ ሲመጣ just a little sugar, some sugar, a little water in a jug, a little bread on the tray, a little, not much. ጥቂት ዳቦ ትሪ ላይ ነው ትሪ ላይ አለ በጣም ብዙ ያልሆነ በመጠኑ ጥቂት የሆነ a little water in the jug ስል ጆግ ላይ በጣም ጥቂት የሆነ ጥቂት ውሃ በመጠኑ ጥቂት ውሃ ነገር ግን በቁጥር ልንገልጸው የማንችላቸውን ስሞች የምንገልጽባቸው adjectives of quantity እንላቸዋለን። ስለዚህ ይሄ ነው ዲፈረንሳቸው a little and a few. similarityያቸው actually both a little and a few have positive meaning. of course they both indicate about some for a little, not much ማለት ነው, some for a few which is not many ማለት ነው. of course these are similarity. great. yeah, let's pass to the next one. few here, when you just reject or seize out an article a here, it is also used for countable nouns. look, instead of what countable noun መሆኑ የሚሆነው ሊቆጠር የሚችል ስም ላይ which is close to negative ማለት ነው. instead of what close to negative ነው. almost none ወይም ነው የሚል ነው. ኦኬ almost የለም ለማለት የቀረበ ሐሳቡን የምንገልጽበት ብቸኛው adjective to quantity ናቸው ሊቆጠር የሚችል almost ነው ለምሳሌ there are two just oranges in the basket or two oranges there are a few oranges in the basket almost one or two it's not enough for me yeah if I say just there are a few oranges in the basket there are maybe 5 to 10 oranges there if you just use few oranges almost none okay ከአንድ ቅርጫት ብርቱካን ወይም የሆነ ነገር አንድ ማግኘት ማለት almost የለም ለማለት የተቃረበ ነገር ከአንድ ሆነ ቅርጫት ውስጥ የሆነ በቁጥሩ የሚታወቅ ቁጥር 5 6 7 8 9 10 ብርቱካን ማገኝ ከሆነ ብዙ አይደለም ጥቂት ብለን ይገልጻዋለሁ if you እንጠቀማለሁ ማለት ነው ኦኬ if you እንጠቀማለሁ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ይሄ ነው very small number ማለት ነው few ማለት በነገራችን ላይ small number almost negative ነው ኢንዲኬት የሚያደርግልኝ so if you እና few ዲፈረንሳቸው ይሄ ነው ያ if you እና few ዲፈረንሳቸው ይሄ ነው I'll give you some examples how do we use a few and we use a few little a little yeah the last one is was little if you remove article a it has the same meaning with few here we use a little for uncountable nouns which cannot be counted but it can be designated in amount okay little n ስታጠፋት አሁንም uncountable now no negative meaning almost no የሚል ትርጉም አለው ማለት ነው implied ትርጉሙ negative ነው close to negative that's a little means so these are the actually simply the theoretical aspects of these four adjectives theoretical aspects to know theory that's not my intention to teach about the theoretical how can we use these four adjectives in practically either in a written form maybe in grammar structure or maybe in a spoken structure so it's ላይ ነው focus ማድረግ የምፈልገው nice please let me give you some example questions any ስትጠቀሙ እንደገና both countable and uncountable yeah ሁለቱንም ነው any I have just I want to read any book I want to book any books here any books yeah whatever any kind of books it doesn't matter short story literature maybe poems or folk just whatever maybe academic books history books it doesn't matter but any for countable noun I want to eat any food because I am extremely hungry I want to eat any food whatever any kind of food maybe just this food I don't have any option just I don't intend to choose about a kind of food that I want because I'm extremely hungry all right so whatever any food ካልኩኝ ማንኛውንም ምግብ መገብ ፈልኩኝ በጣም ርቦኛል እያልኩ ነው ስለዚህ ፉድ ምንድነው uncountable ነው መጽሐፍ ምንድነው countable any ስትጠቀሙ both countable and uncountable ተቀባቸዋለን so right great yeah let me give you some examples here she saves a little money every month she saves a little money please መጀመሪያ ስነሳ ምንድነው ነበር ያልኩት እነዚህ አራቱ ነገሮች adjectives of quantity ናቸው መጠን ገላጭ በቁጥር ወይም በመጠን የምንገልጽባቸው ስምን ተከትለው የሚሄዱ ስለዚህ a little ስንል yeah money no money is the head word which is uncountable noun so the right word here is a little of course little ብትሉም መሆን ይችላል ምክንያቱም ኮንቴክስት የለኝም a little ከሊትል ሊለይ የሚችል ኮንቴክስት የለኝም I want to show here is how would we use a little no, but my intention here is a little a few እንዴት እንጠቀማለን intention ያለው እንጂ a little ከሊትል ለመለየት አልተጠቀምኩበትም but possibly ሁለቱም adjectives of quantities possibly complete ያደርጉታል ይሄ she saves a little money every month of course she saves a little money every month no she saves little money ስትሉ almost no money ማለት ነው yes almost no money ማለት ምንም ሴቭ አታርግም በየወንዙ a little money means some በጣም ብዙ ያለው ጥቂት ገንዘብ ሴቭ ታደርጋለች of course little ሊሆን አይችልም እዚህ ጋር ያ almost little ካላችሁ no money that she saves every month ማለት ነው አይደል no money at least ምንም ያክል ብር ሴቭ አታደርግም so the right word here is a little they have little money to spend little money she didn't spend much money means little almost no money she spent yeah no money actually which is close to negative almost የላት spend የምታደርገው የላትም ነበር spend የምታጠፋው ገንዘብ የላትም ነበር እኮ she had little money to spend and every day and every week and every month have you got it yeah spend no money to spend it ማለት ነው she had no money spend ማለት she saves her money ማለት ነው አይደል she saves ብዙ ገንዘብ የምታወጣ የላትም ከተባለ ወይ almost የላትም ነው implicator implied meaning የላትም ነው ካልሆነ ደግሞ በጣም ኢኮኖሚስት ነች ማለት ነው ሴትዮዋ ልጅቷ ኢኮኖሚስት ነች ማለት ነው the had yeah I'm not very happy about it but I suppose I have little choice here I'm not very happy of course yeah but I suppose I have little choice exactly little choice means no choice actually yes because I'm not very happy for the happening event yeah በተከሰተው ነገር event ላይ ደስተኛ አይደለም ስለዚህ little choice ማለት almost የለኝም choice አማራጭ የጠበበ ነው ማለት yes አማራጭ የጠበበ ነው ስለዚህ that's the right word is little choice because here is a noun still she smiled just a little she smiled just a little what's a little here it sometimes functions as an adverb okay she smiled just a little እንደ adverb ተጠቀምኩበት a little ማን ነው modify የሚያደርገው smiled የሚለውን action verb ተመልሶ እሱን ነው describe የሚያደርገው ስለዚህ sometimes adjectives ምን እንገለጹ እንደ verb እንደ adverb ሆነ እንደ adverb ከሆነ ደግሞ verb-ን modify ያደርጋል ማለት ነው okay so this grammatical usage ነው የምናየው አሁን the other one here her hands were shaking a little okay we cannot call shaking of our hands yeah shaking of our hands it's just rough shaking because of some problems because of just I don't know the problem illness or sickness of the person yeah a little shaking so it's uncountable shaking by itself is uncountable it's a sudden moment yeah a sudden event so it cannot be counted here her hands were shaking a little we're shaking a little so what's a little here just like an adverb which refers about we're shaking yes we're shaking the verb here I find that a little bit hard to believe here a little bit by itself is uncountable which is a little minute ማለት yes a little minute hard to believe a little for this uncountable noun obviously that's the right use of adjectives of quantity a little here now therefore she had few moments on her own she had few moments yeah of course it's countable because the noun itself has in the form of has written in the form of plural of course few is the right answer she had few moments on her own of course true Mary said nothing but she drank a little tea and ate a little bread she said nothing but she drank some tea ለማለት ነው and some bread not much ለማለት ነው because bread and tea both the two words are uncountable of course that's right Mary said nothing but she drank a little tea and ate a little bread obviously that's right we stayed a few days in Addis and visited the museums yeah I visited the museum ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር few ሊሆን አይችልም please ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር አዲስ አበባ ቆይቼ የተወሰኑት ሙዚየሞች ጎብኝቻለሁ ካለ a few days ቆይቻለሁ ጥቂት ቀናትን እዛ ቆይቻለሁ ማለት ነው few ምል ከሆነ almost ሙዚየሙን መጎብኘት አልችልም ነበር ማለት ኦኬ almost ምናልባት few days ካልኩኝ almost አልቆየውም ምናልባት ብቆይ ግማሽ ቀን ወይ something እንደዛ ሊሆን ይችላል አዲስ አበባ ያሉት ሙዚየሞች ጎብኝቻለሁ ካልኩኝ a few days stay አድርጌያለሁ እዛ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ a few plus days countable a few the right word please few cities anywhere in Europe can match the cultural richness of Berlin yeah few cities not all cities in Berlin almost no cities have the same with can match with the cultural richness of Berlin almost no cities እሱን የሚያሟሉ የለም ኦኬ ከሱ ጋር በርሊን ውስጥ ካሉት cultural heritages ሊያሟላ የሚችል ማንንም ሊያገኝ አይችልም almost no cities ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር says as few right please a few of his films were seen yeah a few of his films were seen abroad he's a playwright a few of means some of his film were seen or were watched abroad ብዙዎቹ ሳይሆኑ ጥቂቶቹ እሱ የሰራቸው የጻፋቸው ፊልሞች ውጭ ላይ ይታዩ ነበር ወይም ይታያሉ ብንል of course the noun films is countable noun so the right adjectives of quantity a few ብለን እንመርጣለን exactly ስለዚህ a little ወይም little ብለን አንመልስም nice let me come to just the question is here ጥያቄዎች አሉ እዚህ ጋር የተዘጋጁ ጥያቄዎች blank of my friends were absent today but majority of them came exactly what's the answer here I think a little አትሉም ፎከሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው a few ወይም few ነው because blank of my friends are noun ነው ይሄ what kind of noun plural noun ነው countable ነው so ፎከሳችሁ either a few ወይም few ብላችሁ የምትመጡት few of my friends were absent today but majority of them came አያችሁት but few of my friends were absent today but majority of them came to answer the question you come the contrasting views here ተቃራኒ ሐሳቡ ላይ ነው መጣት የሚገባቸው majority of them came ማለት አብዛኞቹ መጥተው ነበር ካልኩኝ የተወሰኑት almost የተወሰኑት ተማሪዎች ወይ የተወሰኑ ጓደኞቼ ዛሬ አልተገኙም ነበር ትናንት አልተገኙም ነበር ማለት ነው አይደል ወይ ጧት ላይ አልተገኙም ነበር ማለት ስለዚህ few of my friends were absent today but majority of them came in right So the answer is few, because there is a context. The context matters to use for a few and few. We should use any important, very just convenient contexts to use this for adjectives of quantity. የሚለያቸው ኮንቴክስት ካልተጠቀሙ አጠቃቀሙ ሊያስቸግረኝ ይችላል please. I want just milk for my breakfast but not much. Yeah, right. ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምጠቀመው? ሊትል ነው የምጠቀመው because the word milk by itself is uncountable now አይደል? ለምን ሊትል አልጠቀም? ምን አለ ዘጋ but not much ብዙ አልፈልግም. So little milk for my breakfast. ትንሽ ነው በጣም almost የሆነ በቃ ወይም አንድ ምናምን አንድ ጊዜ ሁለት ጊዜ የምጠጣው አይነት ነገር ለማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር I want little milk for my breakfast but not much. Exactly. ጥያቄው እዚህ ጋር ተመለሰ but not much አላችሁ። ስለዚህ the answer is what? Little milk here. The film is not eye-popping. The film is not eye-popping. Blank people watch it. You know, you do understand for this. This is a kind of expression which is a slang, you know, eye-popping, fascinating, interesting, ማለት ነው. Fascinating or interesting ማለት ነው. Fantastic ማለት ነው. Eye-popping ማለት. The film is not eye-popping ማለት not interesting or boring, you know. ስለዚህ few people watch it. Exactly, because the context is here true, please. Yeah. ኮንቴክስቱን ያሳያችሁ እዚህ ጋር eye-popping ነው አይደለም ካለ ኦልሬዲ ሰዎች ወይም አላዩትም ማንም ሰው አላየውም ፊልሙን ማለት ነው yes ማንም ሰው አላየውም ፊልሙን ማለት ነው question number 4 here yeah maybe she left blank time to leave the airport the pilot pressed the button and the engine started exactly maybe she left blank time to leave yeah time here uncountable now your focus attention will be either a little here so from the two which one do you think is right here she time to leave the pilot pressed the button and yeah look ነው maybe she left የተወሰነ ሳቅርታ ምክንያቱም ፓይለቱ በበተኑን ፕሬስ አደረገና ኢንጂኑን አስነሳው ነው ካለ almost little time ነው የቀራት ከአየር መንገድ ከኤርፕሌን ከአየር መንገድ ልትወጣ ነው የሚለን ስለዚህ little time actually nice I'm not satisfied with the burger the type of there is blank yeah I'm not satisfied and with the burger satisfied ማለት tasty አይደለም delicious አይደለም because there is a slice or there is some shortage of maybe ingredients which make burger make and sweet so there is little oil in it no oil it is so it's not satisfied so I'm not satisfied so it's tasty yeah ጣፋጭ አለ ምክንያቱም almost ዘይት የለውም እሱ ማለት ነው ዘይት የለውም almost ዘይት ስለሌለው ጣፋጭ አለ I'm not satisfied with the burger yeah ደስተኛ አይደለሁም በርገሩ ላይ ማለት ነው ያ የሚጎለው ነገር አለ ካል እዚህ ጋር ስፔሲፊካሊ ዘይት የለውም I want blank time to finish my building so I should borrow from commercial bank so I don't want much yeah so little money or little money yes yeah little money yeah I don't want much ብዙ አልፈልግም ግን የተወሰነ ፈልጋለሁ ማለት a little ማለት ነው yeah a little ማለት ነው a little take care I don't want much ብዙ አልፈልግም much money I don't want a lot of I don't want plenty of አልፈልግም but a little money some small amount or no much money ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር so the answer is a little exactly please I know blank English words so I can communicate with the native speakers here of course yeah few words ካላችሁ of course because words by themselves are countable nouns to identify whether a little or no a few and few I can't communicate with the natives if you insert a few I know some words so I can communicate if you insert few which is negative almost I don't know English words so I can communicate it አልችልም communicate ማድረግ አልችልም ማለት ነው ስለዚህ few ካላችሁ you go the answer please she's a stranger here herself she has friends and she can enjoy her life exactly ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም ቀላል የሆነ ነገር ነው እዚህ አካባቢ እሷ እንግዳ ነች ምና ጓደኛ አላት countable ነው few ወይም few እንትመርጣላችሁ and she can't enjoy herself because she's a strange person she's a strange girl here she doesn't have any friends she doesn't know many people here so few friends she has few friends almost she hasn't any friends she hasn't no many friends she doesn't have any friends ብዙ ጓደኛ ስለሌላት ደብሯታል enjoy አታረግም ላይፏን ማለት ነው ኦኬ enjoy አታረግም ላይፏን ስለዚህ few friends ነው የምትሉት she's a stranger አንድ ኮንቴክስት ነው she can't enjoy herself ሌላ ኮንቴክስት ነው few እንድትጠቀሙ encourage አድርጓቸዋል please contact her she has ideas about our project proposal exactly በቃ እዚህ ጋር ጉዳዩ please contact her important signal expression እንለዋለን so a few ideas here some ideas about project proposal if you say few ካላችሁ ምንም ፕሊዝ ኮንታክተር ልላ አልችልም ኦኬ ፕሊዝ ኮንታክተር ብዬ ፑሽ ላደርግ አልችልም ስለዚህ a few ideas some ideas አለ ለፕሮጀክት ፕሮፖዛላችን ጥቂት ሐሳብ አሏት አካፍልህ ነው እዛ ጋር ማለት የፈለገው ነገር the last question how blank means to solve the problem so we should meet and discuss the issues here means I have a few means to solve the problem so means strategies ways techniques ማለት ነው ቴክኒኮች ስትራቴጂዎች ስታይሎች ማለት ነው means ማለት ስለዚህ a few means which is countable noun if it is countable noun a few is the right answer so look here we should meet and discuss the issue ይላችኋል ጥቂት ሐሳቦች አሉ ጥቂት ስትራቴጂዎች አሉ ስለዚህ እንገናኝና በጉዳዩ ላይ እንወያይ ካልኩኝ ኢምፖርታንት ነው ኔጌቲቭ ሴንስ አይደለም ስለዚህ a few እንጠቀም ይገፋፋኛል ነው 10 questions are important to use a few a little and little try to practice the question and make your own examples you simply identify these adjectives of or these confusing adjectives of quantity I think you will get some important points from this I think you can just use either in writing or in speaking or in questions especially for grammar questions you can do it without a new dot thank you please this is from Mr. Kabada from Family English Language Improvement Center thank you those who want to watch or who watches my video and write some comments and subscribe my YouTube channel thank you